You're just starting your e-commerce business, or so to say online selling, these are the apps that I think you need. Not that I think, I know you need.
Hi, my name is Isel. I'm a content creator, an entrepreneur, a fashion business owner, I'm a marketing director, I'm a coach, I'm a business coach, and I teach people how to make money and invest money online. If this is what you're looking for, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to see more videos like this. So let's get started.
So for messaging and for closer look into your business, or for closer feel for trust, you need WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the first app I'm going to recommend, because if you are a small business owner, this can really help you a lot. You need automation tools for the WhatsApp as well. You need one mission, or you need autoresponder, tasker. You need a lot of automations if you want to start generating a lot of leads into that WhatsApp. All right. So the next app I'm going to talk about is Pinterest. You need content ideas, for your business. So Pinterest is good. TikTok is also another app that you need, that is good for awareness and for generating content for your business. If you are stuck, you need TikTok. And you can use the TikTok live version as well to make awareness about your business. You need Instagram. Online presence. You need to be on Instagram, and then you need meta ads, Facebook and Instagram ads. You need to learn those apps. So yes, that is all the apps you need as a newbie. WhatsApp is such a good and a great tool. I'm mentioning WhatsApp a lot because I know the power of WhatsApp, especially the WhatsApp business. It has labels that you can use. Instagram also has labels, but WhatsApp has labels. That's catalog feature. If you don't have websites yet, you can use the catalog feature for your brand. So yes, WhatsApp is good, is nice for marketing. It is a great tool. Yeah, that is all I would say in this video. So if you want to learn how to use Pinterest and TikTok for your business in detail, check this next video out. Bye.